In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your workspace in ClickUp. If you're looking for a way to streamline your projects, manage your team more effectively, and keep everything organized, ClickUp is an excellent platform to help you do just that. Whether you're running a business, managing client relationships, or just trying to stay on top of your tasks, setting up your ClickUp workspace properly can make all the difference. Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating and customizing a workspace using templates to suit your specific needs. Let's dive in. First, open ClickUp and navigate over to your home dashboard. This is your central hub for accessing and managing everything within the platform. Once you're there, hover your mouse over your team space. This is the section where your projects and team activities are neatly organized. It's essentially the backbone of your workspace, so familiarizing yourself with it is key. Next, locate the three dots positioned next to the name of your team space. Click on those three dots to reveal an options menu. From this menu, select the template option. Templates are a powerful feature in ClickUp that allow you to quickly set up pre-designed workflows, saving you time and effort. Once you've selected template, click on Browse Template. This will open up ClickUp's library of pre-made setups. Here, you'll find a variety of options designed to fit different types of workflows and industries. To narrow down your choices, type the word business into the search bar. This will filter the templates and show you options that are most relevant to business management. Take some time to preview the templates that catch your eye. ClickUp provides templates for various needs, including client management and project tracking. Review these options to find the one that aligns most closely with your business requirements. Once you've found the template that fits your needs, click on Use Template to begin the setup process. Now, it's time to personalize the template. Start by naming your template to make it specific to your business or service type. A clear and descriptive name will make it easier to identify later, especially if you're using multiple templates for different workflows. After naming your template, review its setup carefully. This is where you can customize the finer details to match your workflow, adjust task names, client details, deadlines, or any other key elements to ensure the template works seamlessly with your processes. Don't forget to fine-tune additional features, like color-coded lists to enhance visual organization, or recurring tasks to automate repetitive actions. These small adjustments can make the system more intuitive and user-friendly for your team. When you're happy with the customizations, click Use Template again to apply it to your workspace. This step finalizes the setup and incorporates the template directly into your team space. Before moving on, double-check all the data in your new setup. Verify client names, deadlines, and other essential details to ensure everything is accurate. This will help prevent any confusion down the line and keep your team aligned. Lastly, keep in mind that your business needs and processes may evolve over time. Don't hesitate to update and refine your templates as necessary to reflect these changes. Keeping your workspace adaptable will ensure it continues to serve your team effectively. If you're new to ClickUp, you can use the link in the description to create an account and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.